So whether we are whether we're driving in a car, throwing a ball, riding a bike, we have a sense that every single one of these actions we can measure an instantaneous velocity of the object at any given moment of time. It's a number that measures how fast the object is moving right now. In a car's speedometer, for example, it tells the driver what appears to be the car's velocity at any given instant. But here's the interesting part. The posted velocity on a speedometer is really just an average velocity. It's an average velocity that's computed over very, very, very small intervals of time based on the circumference of the tire. So keeping that in mind, to get a sense of instantaneous velocity, which we will define that more formally later on, but we can think of that the instantaneous velocity at some time interval a to be an average velocity as we get shorter and shorter time intervals from a to some other number b. And instead of taking those time intervals to be like 0.5 of a second, we take those time intervals to be 0.0001 of a second. And if those time intervals are short enough, then the average velocity of the object starts to take on an instantaneous velocity. So again, we're going to set this up for you a little bit later on, more formally, but keep that in mind as you go through activity 1.1.3.